cartoon animation video tutorial in Canva for beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create fun and simple cartoon animation videos using Canva. It is perfect for beginner in 2025. We'll walk you through everything from setting up your project, choosing cartoon elements and animating them and exporting your final video. Now, in 2025, Canva has made animation even easier with drag and drop cartoon graphics, animated characters, and built-in transition you can apply within a single click. Whether you are making a school project or YouTube short or explainer videos, Canva is powerful free tool to bring your cartoon ideas to real life. No animation experience needed for that. As we have some examples into Canva, you can make these kind of animation easily in Canva. So let's get started. First step, first step is to set up your account. First thing, head over to canva.com and create an account for free using your Google or email. After that, after creating your account, something will appear in front of you. What you have to do is just create a design and select video resolution. To start with a full HD format, just simply click on this. In the left side, we have create button. Click on this create and then choose what would you like to create is create. I want to create YouTube video, search that, and from here you can choose YouTube chapter, YouTube landscape, YouTube background landscape as well. And if you want to customize your design dimension, you just simply click on this customize size. From here you can give a width, height, and you can change the units as well. After that, just simply click on this create design. For this tutorial, I will choose a YouTube landscape. YouTube landscape, and just simply choose one of these. So, okay, I will choose this one, which is this is video and this is I think ad for the ad. So wait for a few seconds to load. Now let's take a quick tour. On the left side, you will find toolbar for element, text, brand, upload, whatever. If you have anything related to your project, you can upload direct from your computer. Then we have tools like text, sticker notes, lines, and then shapes. Then we have a drawer as well. Then if you want to import table, you can import that. Then we have project, which we have created recently. You can import that project to in this project as well. Then we have apps, which is third party Canva app. You can integrate these kind of app into your Canva to make your animation good and consistent. Like they have a lot of apps like logo maker, emoji artist, AI voice over, text to audio, pentify. So they have a lot of option. Now let's choose your cartoon elements. In order to do that, what you have to do is just simply go into elements, then type cartoon character or cartoon background. First, we will choose a cartoon character, cartoon character, and hit the enter button. Now, if you go into graphics, you will get to see some of these graphics uh, from here. Now make your image looks like cartoon. If you want to do that, you can use this app, which is Cartoonify. Now I want some cartoon person, which is like little bit animated. Search animated, and from here, as you can see, we have these animated graphics from Canva. You have to search for your graphics. Like I want a cartoon. So we have this animated cartoon over here, which is walking into street. So just reposition it. So I want make this into, let's say, in the class or the lobby. He is walking like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm search for the background. So go into elements and search for cartoon row. Hit the enter button and then background. So as you can see here, we have this growth as well. You can just resize this to fit your row into your canvas. So what I'm going to do is just simply resize this, put this character in front of, bring it forward. Let's add more details into our canvas, like buildings, cartoon, building, and hit the enter. Now let's see what kind of things we get. Okay, we have this one. F. Then we have, like, you can just simply put this kind of element over here into your canvas, send back. As you can see here, we have added this one. Then we will add this as well, put into. So as you can see here, I have arranged all the elements into my canvas. So what I have did, I have added these bird, then I have added some animated cloud in my canvas, then I have added this car and this animated crane to just give more effect. So now it looks good, but it's not able to animate. Now, how we can give keyframes to these objects in terms of the moving, how we can make sure that this object is moving. So in order to do that, there is a simple trick. Now click of any element in your design, for example, this boy, and from there, the top, there is an option of animation. Just simply click on it. Now we get a lot of option of animation over here. This is just static animation. You cannot give the keyframe to it, but I will use this one for just to start. As you can see here, this looks good. Now for the car, I will use the same in the this side, and for the road I will use this animation, which is this one. uh, I think it should be this one. Okay, this looks good, so I will use this one. You can use different kind of animation to as you can see, the road is moving. So let's not give animation to the road object. Now let's give animation to these buildings, to just like this. Give all animation to this building. And okay, this looks good. Now let's animate this boy, or let's give keyframe to this boy. So what I'm going to do is just I'm going to create an animation. So for that, I will use this custom app. Click on it. From here, you have to hold shift and drag to create straight line. Just simply click on this and hold shift. As you can see here, I am able to create this line. So it will create an animation. So like, as you can see here, this looks good. So just simply click on it. You can manage the speed of this object as well, orient element. And if you go in movement style, there are three options: original, smooth, and steady. So you can just simply use this steady to give more good animation. It looks great. Now let's give a car animation. Hold shift and Let's give this car an animation. Okay, so select, click on the shift and give this car animation. So as you can see here, we are able to give this animation in a very good way. Now let's go to movement style and give more steady. So as you can see here, this looks great. To be honest, let's move. Okay. So this is how you can create animation into Canva. Use this animation tool into Canva to get more good effects. So let's say if you want some birds which are flying or butterfly, let's search for birds and go into graphics, and you can just simply select this bird and you can give a keyframe to this bird. Let's okay, or you can search for animated, so it will like give more good effect to that element. Okay, this one is I think good. You can add a lot of objects into your canvas. You can make whatever you want. Click on this animate button, click on the create animation, and just simply click on the shift. From here you can see how it goes. Let's animate. So let's give steady. As you can see, we are able to give this animation to our this bee. So yeah, this is how you can give animation to your objects. If you want to save more time, use Canva's animated video template and customize them with your cartoon element. For example, go into your home page and search for cartoon animation and hit the enter button. From here, as you can see, we have some example over here. As you can see, this is the inspiration video which I want to create. Click on the customize template. From here, you can take inspiration and see how he created that effect, and you can replicate that exact effect into your video. You can learn few keyboard shortcut like Control T to duplicate elements and T to add text instantly. You can keep animation smooth by dragging movement and avoiding too many effects at once. And don't be afraid to experiment. Try mixing cartoon elements with real photos or bold color plates. So there you have it, your complete beginner guide to making a cartoon animation video in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful, then give it a thumb and drop your question or share your animation in the comment. And of course, subscribe for the creative tutorial.